Mama wakwaba wafreme Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Keep him as your friend, but don't let him spoil your fortunes. Or no, was saying the whole political ambition was saying it would be an so person or demon. If I'm going out, then I'm going out with everybody. That is his role. Nti the man ho kwan na ye afafranto join this Kennedy nkambom na sebe omunto time fantum to now the omun use as the spearhead for that. Okay, or say he didn't hit to their script, so they were annoyed with him. Yes, I don't even know which script and whatnot, but there we need to be careful. All right. And now me by I said I'm a topic ne canon. My topic into na ihu me mo bibia akwaba e de ba political zone so oba na wa share na page na atumi akọ nanim. And yes say Julius Malema disgraces Mahama or John Mahama. Omini na say JMO. Julius Malema, John Mahama. Yo, at here for their equation say a year NDC for Akofre dance asanya bokabiu. Na debia no meme betna ya meka kire mo say NDC party bi asebe mekwasi apia nya ade a kese be makonopo na makom because just like John Domelo said no, they don't want intellectuals. They don't see the importance of no say unima ade no omuhu the importance of it. Ade na make us enkrofo we ti asem a ye hwehwem na ye dimirika na ye de koye propaganda. Now, Oma yes, our life way. I'm an Ebua form so several times. So about share page, wherever you are, share the page. 2017 getting to 2018, and that's even the beginning of 2018. And a former governor for Bank of Nigeria. Sometime na Akufo Addo show boy waba. Obey free SHS, obey planting for food, obey say Itiama Ghana Sikani now for share project. And to move from the first quarter of 2018, Nemunye easy. And the professor no koye then, Eko make it just a statement say, look at Ghana now, biting more than they can chew and putting everything on their plates. Now they don't have money to even do the necessary things that they are supposed to do because they are full of trying to do projects at one time. And this is what you know, say, hey, Papa na kasemeti Akufo Addo dia. And the moment you go find na on speech. In 2019, and every to say Bank of Nigeria governor or Ghana. Now, sometime no nyame ayade and the economy now started boost to Kamapama. At that time, Ghana was the fastest growing economy in the whole world, in Africa, the whole world. You can check the records. And no, Professor Yanasa governor Ibaye and NDC former on the platform say one kasa. It will go so kasa no say hey Ghana. Mo government no why ya dear papa because baby anamu work any baby a government we to me aye. Pa dear. Oh, Debbie. This government has done well. Papa. Oh, Mahama unim. Papa na beji ye no. Na ma adwene say obema no fast. Utie. And utu say ya na space na hye no. Ye kan ya no yi space no. And o start so obedending den anko de asere. What ya na say papa na say this government has done well. Na Mahama. Afen say won siniti asio. Say won send space you. Si won wura table na asio. Say so won tun freedom o. What na hoboko. Die ni wo etna ho. Program ni wie ye. Papa na bag kura yanje NDC fu anje. Papa na sanfa ono ani play. Eduko Nigeria because one beka they are not NDC fu odwene say omo beka. because no mo jene san ka papa ne ka sa in 2018 intino and ka papa ne ba and ko onye research na ko ase abeka oh Ghana is destroyed. Ghana say this company there and there and uti ba come me space ne ba yank beba me fam the space mra ya ma agro ne nye de beba mama ya ma agro ne nye de mama ya ma agro ne nye de oh yeah enti ya fra professor yi mo fa nchem yo na mahama say na wa yet ho ya fra professor na no yiye ana odinde mu say office ye bebo na baso ana governor ni de sabi bullet epu afa dia mahama say ya you can say ya kakra no akọ philosophy su kwa achewo kakra na na ko mo ye sure say dia mo tworo man na wo kan no abranti gumani mu asia na akamba akwa no won kidnap akoya be gumani mu ye mahama o share na de boko no de tena ho cause ani waba sister Cynthia ye wie ye na papa ne nko ni krom Nigeria and this for se ken ye nkoja akwan yampa ye nya papa no kwan na papa no call ye because sabi the aye kira ne se wo meyo no wentumi ameyo yo enche ye bia wo mu na IMF. You people are going to IMF. You people are going to IMF. And IMF boss never here. IMF boss never no say mu kama no ntum. Mahama kan wanu tum na wo open so. Ye ma mu condition kura mu ndi so. Aban we dia atono no enye ono ane dia enye ono ne problem. Na ya dia globally. Esi Mahama nyane yon si da bi. Ne bu afu. Again, IMF boss, say, aban way yeah there. And the IMF doesn't have a mind of their own. They don't know what they are talking about. And no didi na temu poto. Ebio, Akufo the bag, and we boka bebre, and I can't minimum, and I can't yen to me, and I can't and also country director by us, mama kwanutu. Na mo Ghana. Say minimum, I yen to me to any nano. Mutie eye mon kwase take or pay bia Mahamedi animu amoko sign yintia because me kwasi ameti hey step in prediasa ebeya wanwa pass mekwa akọ sign contract say ma fa mesin ni so wo meye adwuma mame na mo mesin no wo ba adwuma o wa ma adwuma o metua ne ka adentia sika ni nwunu egu nkrofo bi botom nti Ghana emmoka and also NDC for say there be entiase and no who you yate. And Jay be a